morning. Hey babes, it's China Styles and welcome to my world. I don't just do nails, I run an empire. 3 press to impress locations all around the Tampa Bay area, 3 sets of doors, 1 level of luxury. This is what I bring to the table. While everybody else is waking up and scrolling, I'm up doing my skincare, my glam, and checking bookings for 3 salons at the same time. I'm the woman who can answer an email, approve new polish collections, and still show up on set with my liner sharp and my edges laid. Hey, y'all not gonna give mommy a hug?
We don't want to go to school. We want to come with you.
I promise I'll be back very soon. I love you both. Give me a min, y'all. I'm on the way to the hair salon to get my hair done, and while I'm there, some new music will be on so you can't hear us gossiping.
It's the one right here.
Hey China, how are you? I'm good, and you? Good. You ready to slay this pixie cut? I want a deep red.
I've been grinding for a minute, they ain't see it then. Now it's all coming back, I don't need pretend. Every move I made led me right here. Now I'm standing in the moment, no fear. I took losses, I took hits, I stayed down. Now it's looking like a win every time now. They know what I was building behind the scenes. Now I'm stepping into everything I dreamed. I waited my turn, I stayed locked in. Now I'm up and I'm all in. This my big one, I can feel it. Everything I worked for, now I'm living. No more waiting, no more wishing. It's the moment, no conditions. This my big one, say it loud. I done made it out the crowd. Everything I said I did. Now I'm standing how I live, yeah. They was doubting, now they watching every step. Now they studying the way I handle pressure. I don't fold, I don't break, I apply. Every time they thought I wouldn't rise, I was patient, I was building something real. Now I'm seeing everything I used to feel. Turned the vision into something I can hold. Now I'm walking in a story that I told. I stayed down, I stayed true. Now it's time to break through. This my big one, I can feel it. Everything I worked for, now I'm living. No more waiting, no more wishing. It's the moment, no conditions. This my big one, say it loud. I done made it out the crowd. Everything I said I did. Now I'm standing how I live, yeah. This the one that changed it all. This the one I answer call. This the one I never drop. This the one that take me to the top. Right now, no doubt. Stand up, show out. This my big one, no debate. I don't wait, I create. Everything I dreamed I made. Now I'm living in the chain. This my big one, I'm that now. I don't blend into the crowd. Everything I built is real. Now the world can see the deal. This the one, no turning back. Mind-blowing moment. Hold on. The audacity. The absolute nerve. You really thought I was the one to play with?
Mommy, I missed you. Mommy, I missed you.
Mommy missed you so much. Y'all ready to go shopping?
Can we get ice cream, please, Mommy?
You know, people always ask me, how do you do it all? And honestly, I don't think I do it all. I just refuse to quit. I wear a lot of hats. I'm a CEO. I'm an executive producer. I'm a wife. I'm a mother. And somehow to chase every dream God put in my heart. But here's what people don't always see. They see the magazine covers. They see the followers. They see the business. They see the success. What they don't see is the sacrifice. I've missed sleep. I've worked through tears. I've built businesses while raising babies. And I've learned something. Purpose doesn't wait until life gets easy. So before I leave for Miami, before Dubai, I wanted one last mommy and me day. Because success means absolutely nothing if your children don't get to experience it with you. My one days are watching me build something bigger than myself. I didn't pray for an easy life. I prayed for the strength to build an extraordinary one. And God answered.
What's next for China Styles?
What's next? Television, streaming, movies, Housewives of AI. And if we're being honest, I'm just getting started. People think they're watching the highlight reel, but baby, they're watching history being made. Before I'm the nail boss or anybody's favorite housewife, I'm Chef China in this kitchen. This is where my day really starts. Over the stove, feeding the people I love. My clients get luxury at the salon, but my family, they get the first plate. People see the glam and think it's just me. Nah, behind China Styles is Cleve. My calm, my cover, my partner in every sense. We built this life from big dreams and small budgets, and we're still building, hand in hand. These two little queens are my why. When I see them running through this house laughing, I see legacy. I'm raising them to know they can be princess, boss, or both at the same time, and never have to shrink for anybody. Dinner in this house is non-negotiable. We might have salons, school shoots, and a girls' trip loading, but when we sit at this table, the world slows down. Phones down, hearts open, plates full. That's real luxury to me. You know what's funny? People see the trips, the clothes, the glam, and they think this is the whole story. Baby, this is just the reward. Hanging in this closet, every pair of shoes, every passport stamp that's about to happen was paid for by sacrifice. Not shortcuts, not handouts, not luck. Hard work. This trip isn't about showing off. It's about celebrating. Celebrating every no that turned into a yes. Every closed door. Every sleepless night. Every risk that actually paid off. People always ask, how do you balance everything? Truth is, some days I don't. Some days I just choose what matters most. Today, it's family. Tomorrow, it's business. But Dubai requires something different. Luxury, elegance, presence. When I walk in a room, I don't want people wondering who I am. I want them wondering what I do.
You look absolutely stunning tonight.
Thank you, baby.
Come here, my love.
Oh my God.
Baby, come here. Look at me. I know this trip means a lot to you. You've worked your tail off for this. I've watched every late night, every early morning, every sacrifice, every prayer. Ain't nobody handed you nothing. Everything you have, you earned.
You always know exactly what to say.
That's because I know you. I know when you're excited and I know when you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Baby, put that weight down just for a little while. Go laugh, go make memories, go enjoy everything you've built. You deserve every second of this trip.
You know I'm still gonna call.
I know you will. I can't wait.
It's just 1 week. It'll fly by.
I'll be counting the minutes.
I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you for always believing in me. For never making me choose between my dreams and my family.
Because there was never a choice. We're building all of this together. Your wins are my wins. Our daughters are watching. One day they'll understand their mama didn't just chase dreams, she built a legacy. Now go, represent us well. Carry yourself the way you always do. Walk with grace, walk with confidence, walk knowing you've got a husband back home who's praying over you every day. I love you, baby. Have the time of your life. And when you're ready, come home to me.
Who's that shining in the digital sky? Housewives of AI. Creating worlds with a single command. Turn turning dreams into $1 billion brand. Prompt it, build it, watch it come alive. Housewives of AI. Beauty, brains, and creativity.